Good na? Hello guys! So, I will show you this catnap storybook what I made. Here's catnap. My mommy will play with me. So, this is the first page. So, first, chapter 1, we look around with the flashlight. Chapter 2, player will have to go to the garage. Catnap suddenly appeared. Then, when Catnap goes back to chapter 1, he found player coming chapter 2. Let's go to chapter 3. Chapter 3, when you have to guess who's the real Catnap. Chapter 4, there's a new monster. It's Black Huggy Wuggy.